Before we start with this, we have few products sent by companies. This is a pillow. Here is another product. Nice. We're gonna check them all. Not in this video, but coming videos. This is some sort of security camera, and this device is like a backup portable transfer files from your phone, camera, or whatever. You don't need a computer, and you can be remotely with Wi-Fi. Very nice product. It's actually hard drive. Um, I'll make a comprehensive review soon. So let's continue. So the spoke wheels, I think they look better than the Trackmaster 1 or Tomy wheels. So now I start thinking of making these wheels for my custom models. That one is chassis wheels for this the FUSIT gunpowder cars. Now I did make a test. I have this. It's not finished, but it works great. It fits right. Now I'm working on the side rods, and I did previously, I think a couple of days ago, I did a test on this model. I'm still working on it. I got the model ready. Let's say 99, 98, 99% ready. Yes, I have adjusted these side rods for the custom Oliver. And I'm thinking making these for Thomas, like say for Thomas. But those, it will look exactly like in the series. This one is definitely good, ready. So in today's video we have a product sent by the company, and it's a pillow. You know, I have a lot of products that I about to unbox, but for now I'm gonna let it expand and take shape, and then we make continue. So that's the product, a pillow for neck pain relief, adjustable ergonomic pillow. Okay, that's cool. Let me tell you, definitely it's very soft, very comfy. I really love it. It is a very nice product. With this you sleep really good. Yeah, please check the link in the description. I will test it out and I'll let you know how it goes, but definitely feels very good. Check the link in the description. Alright, back to work. First we need to clean the 3D printers. I mean the dust. That's done. Next, I need to wash build plates. Yeah, definitely I cut this with a knife. That's the reason I have extra ones. So we do this with a product sent by another company. Works really good for my application. This one definitely works really good. Alright, we have the files ready. Alright, while 3D printers work, we are going to do some shipping. Pin labels ready. See, one of the main reasons I painted this white, I printed it white, is because there are some customers that want to sand the product and leave it smooth, and here is Oliver's face. I don't know if I can do this one hand, but face should snap just like this and stays in place. So you can paint this area black, also the roof, just in case. Obviously comes with the middle wheels. Need to do some cleaning. Sending 2 of these on eBay, others are from PayPal. Also need to clean these, getting ready. So I'm checking everything before I send them. I need to clean everything. This is for Hank, Donald Douglas, special car. Need to put the axle and everything, wheels, chassis. So this is Hank's tender, and the battery cover fits right. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. It's almost impossible. I need the other hand. Look at that. There's done. So you know, you always gotta check, double, triple check before sending the product, just to make sure it fits right and works. I need definitely a support for my phone. I don't know where I left it, but next is Thomas the Tank Engine. Snowplow. Right in there. Cool. Done. I have not done cleaning yet this, but I'm just showing, making a demo how these snow plows snap right into the model. Like say, I need to clean this. This is for Donald Douglas. This is the same with the other one, it's just the opposite direction. So I don't know if you remember, I made these short versions, but then I 3D printed another one that I already lost it, but this is for a small chassis like this one. I already have, I mean, previously I was taking some of these cars and using the chassis and wheels, and I 3D printed this one. It's a longer version, but now it does not have, let me see how tight it fits. It does not fall off. Now the thing is that my plan was to put a face in here so I can put the stickers or decals, and then I need to remove this. I mean, for the next 3D prints I need to change that, make it like an open doors area here. I don't know why I did this, but anyway, it's a test. I have another one here. Let me know in the comments if this should be short, since it's a brakeman, and this area right here is the one that is not, I mean, this area is not all the way up like this one. See right here, it should be it's supposed to be open area. Obviously we need to leave this big what do you say, this big area up high, I mean raise it, because we need the wheels to spin. Otherwise, what's the reason to make this? But anyways, let me know in the comments if this is good idea, good to go or not. What do you think? Thinking this one purple for Charlie. I think I made it for Charlie. The idea was for Charlie. Same. Where is the? But was about to say battery cover, but it's the roof. Roof right here. See that? That looks cool. So now I'm making the chassis for the small version, including the spoke wheels. So see this, now it is 3D printed, so I no longer have to remove the chassis or wheels from a troublesome truck or other models. So now I just 3D print this entire model out of it, and then we can put this for sale, accessible. But I'm working specifically on another one. I don't like really much about this, but the colors look good, so it will give you a good looking vibrant color to your model Trackmasters. Yep, here are the axles. That's almost done. All right, that is done. Shipping is ready. Let's continue with these 3D prints. Yeah, that one stuck a little bit. I think I 3D print like a 10 or 13. Here are the spoke wheels, chassis, lid, and the body for these guys I have here. Yes, I made a little bit today. That's good.